I'm going to show you how to make a really refreshing smoothie. I'm starting with one whole orange. I am using a navel orange, but I really love to use Cara oranges if you have them because they're so sweet. Then some frozen mango chunks. They smell so good. Now add in some frozen strawberries. I bought the big bag because it's so much cheaper in bulk. Then add in a little bit of coconut water, shaking up mine first. And lastly, I'm gonna put in a little bit of ginger. I have already washed mine very thoroughly. I'm leaving the skins on, but you can remove yours if you'd like. And I'm just putting in a little pinch. Give everything a blend. If you want, you can also add in a scoop of protein powder, but right now I'm just gonna drink mine up. It looks so refreshing. Feels a little like a slushie. That is really good. Let me know in the comments if you want me to send you the recipe.